Good afternoon and welcome back to another video of Clark's Cookery. Today is October the 4th. As you may remember, we planted peanuts back in April and I promised y'all a video when I harvested them just to see if the pool experiment was a success. So stay tuned. Oh yes, these are ready to come up. I have quite a few here. Okay, I went ahead and harvested the sweet potatoes since I planted the sweet potatoes and peanuts around the same time. So here they are. Not bad for for 3 pots and a raggedy 5-gallon bucket. I'm pleased with my sweet potato harvest. That's a lot of foliage right there. I've heard that you can eat the sweet potato leaves in a stir fry. If you've ever tried them, just drop me a note in the comments on how it tasted and how you prepared them. That's Fido sniffing around. All right. So today I'm happy with my harvest, sweet potatoes and peanuts. That's all.